Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's Workshop. Today I'm gonna see what is inside of cn101a timer. On here we have 12 volt input DC and it can relay about 200 to 250 voltage AC, 50 Hz, single pole, single throw, up to 16 ampere to 50 volt AC, 650 to 60 Hz, or 1 HP 1 to 5 volt AC. So it can take 12 volt DC and it can relay up to maximum 16 ampere, which is a very lot. So it is used in a very high voltages appliances, electronics like water motor, fridge or something like that, which you want to turn off at a certain amount of time. And you can do these settings, which I have already covered in the previous video, so you can see the card of the top or in the description or in the end. So but today's topic is what is inside of this. So I have this 12 volt input and on here we have 220 volt input. So it is going to power on by 220 and it will turn on and off another thing, which is going to be a relay system. It will not give power right here. It is going to take the power for this circuitry inside and then it will relay anything you want, like water motor, pump, fan or bigger appliances. Normally I use it in incubator and brooder and cages. So let's see what's inside. You have to put the any kind of screwdriver and it will come off just like that. And if you can see from this side, both of them are the same. On the back side we have the same circuitry, only one thing is not over here is this component, which is not present over here. So that's why it can take 12 volt. On the front side, like this one, which is a 220, have more component than 12 volt, like this capacitor and this resistor. So both have the same circuitry, but two components are added more. And the same thing applies with this LCD, which is same exact thing. The color of the circuitry capacitor is changed, but they both work exactly. And this is, I think, quarters for the clock, and that's how it works. It can be it is attached with the LCD by these wires for the system and something like that. And you can see the relay inside have the maximum capacity of up to 10 ampere to 50 voltages, or 15 amperes up to 125 volt AC, and it is suitable for only 220 voltages AC voltages up to 250 volt AC. So I think it's not suitable for any kind of DC relay system, because not there is no much higher DC voltages available for this. So it can be used in a high voltages motors when you want to open it at a certain time. So you can do the programming by yourself. It have 1 week setting, and that setting will work every week. So that's a different video you can see in the top description or in the end. So this was the thing. This is a very simple but high technology high technology timer for a bigger voltage appliances. So it is useful for a lot of things. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.